To perform OTA updates, you can go to the update section in 3 ways. In Update Notification on the dashboard, click on View Details or click on Hamburger menu, click on My Garage and then click on Software Update or click on Hamburger menu. In Update Available Notification, click on View Details and then click on TCU Software tab. Click on Install. You will need to keep the vehicle on throughout the process. Once the process is completed, you will need to restart your VIDA V1. Open the My VIDA app. In Update Notification on Dashboard, click on View Details. Click on TFT Software tab. This will take you to the Download tab. Click on Download tab. Wait for 100% progress completion. Click on Download tab. Wait for 100% progress completion. Click on Transfer to TFT tab. Wait for 100% progress completion. On TFT screen, click on Installation sign. The installation will begin and the TFT will reboot. Once the reboot is complete, you can check the latest software version by going to Settings and then About. For more on how to VIDA, keep watching our videos.